Hi guys, it's Lana here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to try some TikTok hairstyles. So I'm going to follow a curly hair tutorial from TikTok, and this is a challenge because some of these hairstyles are really hard. Some of them are quite new and unique to me, and I haven't tried many of them before. I've already decided which hairstyle that I'm going to do. She starts off just parting her hair down the middle. Let me see what she's done. Let me see what she's done. Came in a black Benz, left in a white one. She did squares. Okay, that's cool. Let's do that. I need to make a straight line. How? Ooh. Oh my gosh, my hair does not want to go central. Like, I think it's too late to change my parting, honestly, because my hair's already got product on it and stuff. So we're just gonna have to go with this wonky donkey parting today. So she's brought some hair down to like the front. So that's cute. My hair doesn't really like going in the middle. I have a cow's lick in the middle. Okay, so we have these parts. I'm gonna section my hair actually. So I'm gonna section like a box, 2 boxes. I think it's about that much. And she takes it quite far back. It looked really easy from how she did it. I'm gonna section that right there. I know this is going to be the hard part now because I've done something similar to this before and it was kind of hard. Like, it was stressing me out a little bit, like especially because I didn't have a mirror when I was doing it before. Oh, that could be problematic. That's potentially a problem if the front of my hair is trying to sneak in. So I'm just going to tie this here on top of my head. I think this is going to be really easy. I think it's going to be really cute. So you're going to pinch it. Yeah. Wiggle your finger in it, make a little hole so that you can flip it in. Oh my god, this part is hard. Oh, I left a piece of hair behind. No. Okay, I did it. And then I guess like try and tighten it. Oh, that actually works. Like, that actually makes it look good. Where's my other box? I'm supposed to have another box. Okay, so I went and got some clips because this kind of thing is really stressful when you don't have the clips. Okay, and then I believe what she did is she like joined them a bit like how you would do it in a bubble braid, like this. Okay, now I'm gonna tie it. Okay, so I clipped the rest of my hair out of the way. I'll tie both of them. Oh, that's not right. Oh, I did it so wonky. I'll never fix it. Okay, I'm gonna try and make this work anyway. Now I have to try and get them both in there, which is so hard. Like, everyone makes this look easy. It's not easy. All in the world. Like, I'm just shoving it in, but that is gonna be a mess. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what I just did there. Like, it's in, like it's through, but what on earth is that? Alright, it's not too bad like after you tighten it up. It's still definitely hanging off to the side though. I would definitely prefer it to be like more central. Okay, so now I'm going to try that same thing on the other side. Hopefully it's a little bit easier second time around, because I'm not going to lie, that was kind of hard. The actual technique is not a difficult technique. Like, you're literally just doing one of these little twist things. It's like a really simple concept. Like, you do it all the time in ponytails and stuff. It just gets really difficult all of a sudden. Yeah, mine looks kind of bad. Let's see if I can do the next one without getting too stressed out. So if you're following along, or if you tried to do this yourself and you found it hard or you found it stressful, just know that you're not alone. Like, the rest of us are going through it too. If you found it really easy, then congrats. First section. I honestly picked the worst day for me to try this because I have been feeling so kind of like moody all day, but this is just not going well for me. Why is it tied like that? Why did it tie like long? Get it together. Time to flip it inside itself. I'm gonna actually just grab this with my mouth because no, oh my god, if this is not the most frustrating thing to do, this is not for me today. I can't, I've got to take it out. I don't know how people are doing this, honestly. I do have my little spray bottle to hand, which is very helpful. Oh, it's still going. So it might help if I brush my hair into it. Oh my god, get away from me. Tie it again, round 2, new hair tie. Already going much better. Make a little hole, clear hole, and then flip it in. I'm trying, guys, I'm trying. Oh my god, I did it! Yeah! That was so much better. Sorry. I mean, that was so much better. That was so much better. I think the trick is I've just got to wet my hair a little bit more and then brush it into where it wants to go. Tie them together. Okay, and now do it again. No small challenge, I can tell you. This one was so much easier than this one. To finish up this hairstyle, I'm just gonna re-wet my hair quickly. And then I'm gonna put on some curling gel. So I already had leave-in conditioner and some mousse on my hair. So I just wanna finish things up with a curl defining gel. This one's by TGIN. I'm just gonna put that through my hair to finish things up. All right, let me come back to you when my hair is dry and we can rate this hairstyle. Okay, so I'm back and I think that my hair is dry enough that we can get a good idea of the final look. I personally really like it. I think it's really cute. It's a really unique hairstyle. You probably won't see a lot of other people doing this, partly because it's kind of difficult and partly just because it's just not that popular. A lot of people don't really do this. The twists have been more popular, but not so much like the tucky inside-y out kind of thing, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that's the hairstyle and I really like it. I'm really glad I did this. Also, side note, this stuff is actually really good. My hair always feels really soft when I have this in and I always get like a lot of volume and a lot of definition as well, so that's that. This is not sponsored, by the way. Today is a new day and I'm doing a new TikTok hairstyle. I'll let you in a secret. It's not only a new day, it's a new week, it's a new month. It's actually been 2 months. That's partly because that first one was so stressful. So I've chosen another hairstyle that I want to do. I see a lot of people on TikTok doing these hairstyles on damp or wet hair, which is why I did it on wet hair the first time, but I think that might have been what contributed to me being so stressed, because I don't usually do hairstyles on wet hair. I usually do all of my hairstyles on dry hair. So I'm back with dry hair today and I think I can do this with dry hair. I don't know if her hair's wet or if she just has like some hair product on it that's giving it a kind of wet consistency. I don't know, maybe it's a little bit damp or something. This one looks so much easier. From the looks of it, she's bringing down a fringe, but she's also leaving out a big section right at the front of her head. Like, I want to say like this much. It's quite a lot. A lot of these hairstyles on TikTok, they don't really have a lot of information. They can't tell you a lot. Like, the way that TikTok works, it's like it's very quick and snappy and you can get some quick inspo and stuff, but it's not really like the most informative platform a lot of the time. I don't know, actually, that's a lie. I've learned a lot on TikTok, but yeah, they don't really often like explain things fully. So I am taking this much hair, because this looks like what she's done, like very loosely separated, and it's like right by my ear like this. Exact same on the other side, and then I'm tying it at the back right here. This is so weird for me because usually I'm the one like doing the hairstyles and I'm telling you guys how to do it, and it's so weird to like follow it. Okay, well, she's doing a twist, I think it's one of these. And this is the kind of twist, like the way I'm doing it is where you twist individually, you twist them in the same direction, and then you twist them around each other in the opposite direction to what they're twisting individually. Individually, they're both twisting clockwise, and then you twist them around each other anti-clockwise. I hope that makes sense. I don't think she's doing a twist the same way that I just did mine though. But you see, I like them because they stay. I like them. I'll do the same thing over here. Twisting. And then it looks like she's actually tied them together. Girl! Everyone like stays smiling. Like, I have this big issue, like I can't stay smiling the whole time I'm doing it because sometimes like they take a long time. Sometimes they're actually like difficult. I had this big problem because I used to like go to photo shoots and people would be like, remember to smile, and I'd be like, well, you try doing this, it's kind of hard. Why am I giving you like a little internal monologue while I look like this? I don't know. It's kind of hard. Back in my day. Let me just see how she flipped that over and what she did, because these are the bits that be tripping people up. These are the bits that trip me up, is when they transition, they go to the back and they like suddenly they're doing something and you're like, whoa, slow down. Okay, I've done something like this before, so I think I got this. So I don't want it to be like too close to my head, so I'm gonna bring that to the back. Literally just bring it to the back, and then it's like we flipped it and then it twists, and now we have a hole and we can bring all of our hair through it. And I think that's gonna be it. Tell me it looks good, please. Please. Does it? You tell me. Why are you being weird to me? Because I can't see. Oh, it looks kind of cute. Okay, I did it, and that one was so much easier. I'm really happy that I found a TikTok hairstyle that was really easy, because I almost lost some confidence with that last one. I'm not gonna lie, because it caught me off guard. It was way harder than I thought it was gonna be. Yeah, let me know how you feel about following curly hair tutorials. Like, do you prefer to watch them on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok? Like, do you have anywhere where you like to watch them? I guess I like watching hair videos anywhere, to be honest. Sorry, I'm like way hyper right now because I just had like my second coffee of the day, and I never usually drink coffee, so this smile is like planted onto my face right now. I am gonna go and shoot some other videos, so I'm gonna wrap this one up right here. But please like this video if you liked it, and remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I know it's like a really annoying thing to say, but I am a YouTuber, so I am gonna say it. Also get me on Instagram, turn on the notification bell, because I am gonna be launching that secret project soon, and I really want you to be able to see it if you like hairstyles. That is gonna be everything from me. I really hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.